Of course, the best tablet is Wacom Cintiq. I mean, of course, the iPad or the Wacom. I don't know, does it really matter? Hi guys, I'm Berk Kaplan, I'm a car designer, and today I'm gonna share with you my thoughts about Apple iPad and Wacom Cintiq. It's not like a detailed technical comparison video, it's more like my insight about these two devices and how I use them on my regular process. So basically I'm gonna make a sketch on iPad, or it will be a Volkswagen Beetle, and then I will put it on my computer and I will color it and put more details on the Wacom Cintiq. The iPad is iPad Pro 9.7 and the Wacom is the Cintiq 13 HD. They both are from a couple years ago, so they're not like up-to-date models of these brands, but I still use them and I really like them. For the Wacom, I'm using it for some years, so I'm really familiar with it, but the iPad I'm using recently, like maybe only for 1 month or something. And I will make for you another video later. It will be about which tablet is the best for you, which tablet is more suitable for your situation and this kind of things. And on that video I will also add Wacom Intus to the video, so I will kind of compare them, test them all together, and we will see how it goes. And another topic that I want to tell you is I'm working on a Photoshop tutorial series because you guys are asking me a lot, and I'm preparing it. It's on the way, it's coming, but it still takes a little bit of time. And I know some of you are asking me about my general process, even if it's not like a detailed tutorial. So that's why I'm doing this video. And I want to share with you also the Photoshop file and also the full speed process of both sketches. So you can download these 3 files from my Gumroad. So it will be kind of a way to interact with you because I'm curious what you want to exactly see on this Photoshop tutorial series. If you download these files, I would be really into talk with you, and we can improve together what will be on this tutorial series. And also it will be good support for me both financially and motivationally, because these things really take time and energy to prepare, and I would really like to see you there. Alright, let's start with the sketches. I will show you the time lapse of those sketches, and at the same time I will talk about my process with iPad and Wacom, as I said. Alright, so let's start with the iPad. Years ago when I started using graphic tablet, actually there was no competitor for Wacom. I mean, at least that's what I know. And so I bought the Wacom and I started using it. Then after some years when Apple released iPad and iPad Pro, actually I didn't take it so serious. To me, Wacom was the king of the market. All design studios have Wacom, and I didn't believe that Apple can affect this much actually. And we've been also discussing this with my friends, and there was always somebody who is a fan of iPad and trying to convince me it's better. Of course, I tried it a couple times quickly, but I didn't have possibility to really keep it for some days and really try and go dive deep. Anyway, now since 1 month I am able to use this iPad Pro 9.7, and I really love the feeling while sketching. I mean, I love that lightness. While you are laying on a couch, you can just take it and doodle something, or you can make a quick sketch. And this is how I use it mostly. And if you are curious, I use Procreate and the default brushes so far. Then if I like the sketch and I want to take it seriously, I jump into laptop with my Cintiq. I see many talented guys doing great stuff actually on iPad, like the Sam Does Design, or Roshan. And I will leave a link to their Instagram, by the way, but I'm not used to iPad that much. I use Photoshop for years, and the shortcuts are like a natural thing for me. I got excited when I heard iPad will have the full version for Photoshop, but then it turned out it's not exactly the same, at least that's what I heard. So yeah, the Photoshop is just a natural tool for me, and now I do things without thinking, and that's why I'm still a Wacom person. And also the buttons on the pen are so good, because I just click and increase the brush size, or I just change the brush, and I really love that feature. And iPad, as you know, doesn't have these buttons on the pen. So at the end I use both iPad and Wacom these days, but for different reasons. Doing doodle or quick sketch on Wacom started to feel a little bit heavy actually after iPad. And I know you can record screen anytime on laptop, but isn't it great on iPad that it records automatically and it looks so good without rotation and stuff? And these are just about personal preference and a bit of comfort in my opinion. Because when you have good ideas and good eye, you can design on any device great things. And we see examples of that anywhere. Doesn't matter Wacom, Apple, Huion, Xpen, or whatever. Okay, actually I had a very bad experience with Huion once, and it was really annoying, but you know what I mean. And as I said, this is just my workflow nowadays. It is not a detailed comparison between those tablets. However, I will do a comparison video between Wacom Intus, Wacom Cintiq and iPad. Plus, I will try to guide you a little bit on which one is best for you. And again, if you want to see full speed of these sketches and hear a little bit about my sketch process, don't forget to go to the link below and download the files. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If so, please show it on the like button as well. Let me know about your thoughts. Write it down on the comments. You can write me on Instagram. You know that I'm trying to answer everyone there. Not every day, but at least once a week or twice a week I'm checking all the messages. So you can contact me there. Also, as I said, the links will be on the description. So hope to see you on the next video.